my name is Keith Buck. This time around we are doing the performance of the musical Honk. It is a musical tragedy comedy both, based on the fairy tale of the Hans Christian tale of the ugly duckling. And it is really a story of acceptance and bullying, and it's a unique, very wonderful story.
It is time to meet the rest of the members of the duck yard and be educated in the ways of the world. Drink! Don't stare at her! Look at her! Now the children, let's not make a fuss. Look at her! Are you sure she's really one of us?
This is a musical you'll walk away from really feeling something and probably talking about. If you haven't seen musical theater before, this would be an incredible way to start because it's one of those that you'll enjoy. If you've seen it before, but you haven't even heard of this one, you want to come see this. It's that good. Of all the musicals I've ever directed, and I probably directed some 40 some odd, this is probably my favorite.